Yeah, hi friends, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the Azure Terraform session. Okay, so before deploy the Azure storage account using the Terraform code, so before that we have to know how to deploy the storage account from the Azure portal. Okay, so what I'll do now, first of all, I will create the storage account manually from the Azure portal, and after that I will gather all the information like what are the things required to deploy through the Terraform codes. At least I'll get some idea. Okay, so let's go to the storage account and let me try to create one of the storage account here. We have to select the subscription and we have to give in the resource group name. Either you should have you can use the existing resource group or you can create the new one. And let me get the new one like rg hyphen my. Okay, and the storage account we can take like the stg and like azure 2024. Okay, it is an example but you can change it according to your requirement. And the region you can select any different location, or you can take the same one for demo, but it's up to you how you can select the region name. Let me take the Southeast Asia. Okay, and the storage account, you have two type of storage account, like the standard and the premium. So as you're doing for the demo, you can take the standard one, but you can take the multiple one. And to for the redundancy, like we have the two type, multiple type of the redundancy. So for as we are doing, we have to take the low cost of the redundancy, like local redundancy storage. Okay, which is the LRS. Other advanced things, I think it is not required for the time now. Okay, time making is not required, so you can keep as it is. And the default the network connectivity also you can keep as it is, and we can enable the public access, which is the default one. Okay, and the data protection, I think it is not required for timing, and encryption is not required. Tagging also you can skip for the time, you can skip it. Let me review and validate whether uh, what is the information you have to give in is correct or not. Yeah, so it accepted it, the validation which is completed. Let me initialize the deployment. So I created the initialize the deployment. Okay, and the deployment in the progress. I think it will hardly it will take 1 to 2 minutes to create the storage account along with the resource group. It will take another couple of seconds to get completed the storage account and the resource group. So you can see the storage account has been completed. So let me go to the storage account and see like whatever the information I have given while deploying, whether it is right or wrong. So let me go to the overview, and you can see it is the standard one and it is created under Southeast Asia location with the LRS, like the local redundant storage. And also you can see the respective resource group is created. Inside the resource group our storage account is created. Okay, let me go inside the storage account 1 second to double check. So similarly you can deploy the storage account from your Azure account, and you can refer my video. And in case if you see any difficulties, please put your comment, so I will connect, I can help you out. Okay, so till the time guys, bye bye. So I will connect in the next session. Okay, thank you guys, bye bye.